What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing something that's been trending for a while now on YouTube and going to the worst rated makeup artists in my city. So instead of like picking a freelance makeup artist, I just feel like that would be super rude to have someone come into your home, record you, and post your work if you didn't do a good job or whatever the case may be. So I didn't want to take that route. So I am going to be going to the mall and choosing a department store and going to one of the makeup counters. My friend Maisha is coming with me. We're gonna say that it's her birthday and we're getting cute. We're making a vlog and we just want to capture every moment. So I'm gonna try to get as much footage as possible and let's see what happens. I'll post a clip in here just for reference of what I'm gonna tell the lady or man, you never know, what I want done to my face today. My eyebrows aren't done, so that's already gonna be a challenge for them, but let's see how this plays out. Okay, so we are at the mall. This is Maisha. It's her fake birthday today. She got on a cute outfit, little trench coat. She beat her face so it can be believable. She told me I look like a dog with this sweater on. But hopefully I'm about to be cute after I get my makeup done. Does she like it? We went to Nordstrom and tried to go to the MAC counter there, and she said she was getting ready to go home and she suggested that we come to Saks. So we're at Saks right now, about to see if somebody can take me. Hello. Good. How are you? Do you guys have any availability? So I'm gonna be getting my makeup done at MAC in Saks Fifth, but she said that we needed to give her 5 to 10 minutes to set up. So I might be getting slayed today. I might be getting the fuck slayed. Y'all, this mirror is, I'm looking kind of thick madame. Y'all, I got on a wig, so I had to put this like scarf on just in case they try to, they be trying to pull your hair back when you get your makeup done. And I didn't want them to snatch my wig off, so let's get into this.
So it really kind of like balances itself down to the pH of your skin. So it kind of adjusts it.
You love these cut crease smoky eyes.
I know. I can't wait to see how it comes out because while we're at it, I have to show you my prime.
It's right back here. I have a charger too.
My brows are so on fleek right now. Like, I don't even do my brows this good. So yeah, this is a good sign. A very, very good sign. This is coming along so cute. Like, I'm shook. She's looking like the Grim Reaper. Right? So this is how we're coming. I'm gonna put on lashes when I get home because they $20. Okay, so like I said, I didn't get lashes. I'm going to put lashes on when I get home, and then we'll see the final look and my final thoughts. I feel like he did an amazing job. The only thing I would say is my foundation could be a little bit better. He did really good on the eyes. He did amazing on my eyebrows. What do you think?
Marvelous.
So this just turned from the worst rated MUA in my city to a decent one, for sure. We love that. Okay, so it is the next day, and I just want to share my final thoughts and my opinion on the makeup. First things first, it was looking pretty bomb while he was doing it, and the last clips that you guys saw, or the last pictures, were when I was getting ready to take it off, and I took it off around midnight. So I had cooked, ate, chilled, and all of that, and the makeup just did not last. The foundation was not full coverage enough for me, and my eyeshadow was peeling, and it just kind of looked a little dusty by the end of the day. I do think that he still did a good job. We're not gonna bash him. For that service, it was $50, and I wouldn't pay $50 to get that done again. And yeah, that's my final thoughts. Let me know if you guys like this video. Make sure you like it if you liked it. Comment your thoughts and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I'll see you guys in my next video.